If you're tired of the default system fonts on your Android phone, this video is for you. In just a minute, I'll show you how to install any custom font on almost any Android device completely free and without rooting. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, to do this, we'll use an app called zFont 3. Install the app and allow the required permissions. The link is given below in the description. Once you open it, you'll see a collection of fonts ready to use. Pick any font you like and tap on download. After the font is downloaded, tap on the checkmark icon and choose your Android OS version. If you're not sure about your OS, just select Auto. I'm on One UI 8, but for this demo, I'll choose the Auto option. The process is almost the same for other supported Android devices as well. Now on the next screen, don't change anything. Just tap on Create and the app will prepare the font APK for installation. Now to install the font APK, simply tap on Install Package. As soon as you do that, you'll see a pop-up asking you to install the Z File Manager app. Tap on Install and download it from the Play Store. After that, come back to the zFont app, allow storage access for Z File Manager and install the font APK. If you see a Play Protect Safety Check pop-up, tap on Scan and then finish the installation. Now simply tap on the Change Font Style option to switch to the newly installed font. If you don't see the font applied right away, make sure it appears in the font style list. You can find this list in the Downloads tab. If you still don't see it there, just restart your phone. After that, the new custom font will be applied system-wide, including inside almost all apps. Now the best part is that you're not limited to the fonts available inside the app. You can download any font from the internet and install it the same way. There are plenty of websites that offer free fonts like this one. Download your favorite font in TTF format, open the zFont app, go to Downloads, tap the plus icon, select Add File and choose the font you downloaded to add it to the font style list. Now tap on the added font and repeat the same steps. Choose your Android version, create the APK, install the package, and finally change the font style. Using this method, you can install unlimited fonts on your Android phone completely free and without rooting. You can also switch between all the installed fonts directly from your device settings. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more Android tips like this. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.